tell you how to make augmented reality for teaching young learner in language class. Our topic is learning vocabulary using augmented reality in order to make the learning and teaching process become interesting and fun. So, we suggest to use Unite ER application to make the augmented reality because this app is very easy to use. Okay, let me show you then. First, I look in an object. I open my apps, of course, and looking an object in Gallery ER. Here you can choose anything that you want. I choose vegetables, and you need to scan the floor or around the screen. And after the loading done, like this, the image will be appear like this. So in this section, you can ask your student to read the word and ask what is that, or you can ask them to spelling. For example, hi guys, could you please read what is the word is? So maybe the student say mushroom or something like that. And then you can use this technique repeating, such as I choose strawberry and ask them to do the same thing as before. Of course, you have to do the same technique like scanning the screen around the screen or scan the floor to make the image is become appear. So sometimes it's take a long time because it's depend on our internet. Okay, so I also using animals to make as the object to make it easier and yes become interesting because like fruit, vegetable and animals is really common vocabulary for them. So I just giraffe like this, and you can zoom in or zoom out. You can move left or right. It's up to you. It can be moving. So okay, you can take the photo like this, and you may to save and show to your student. Okay, well, I think that's all. Hopefully your practice will be success. Good luck and thank you for watching. Bye.